The first weather force that largely affects the United States are tornadoes. A tornado is a cone-shaped cloud that is mobile across the ground of violently swirling winds. Tornado Alley stretches from northern to southern Midwest and is the most common place for tornadoes. In Oklahoma in 2011, there was 119 tornadoes recorded, 4 of which were over the size of 4. This hits pretty close to home because I live in the state of Missouri, and in 2011 there was the Joplin tornado. I can remember this exact day and what I was doing on that day. There was 158 deaths and over 1,000 injuries because of this tornado. Another time that tornadoes affected me was when I was in 7th grade and we had to take cover for nearly 2 hours in the hallways of our schools because of a tornado warning. This is something I'll never forget. While tornadoes are common throughout the United States, a hurricane is another weather force that commonly affects the coastlines.